Look at all this loot! DJ, none for you!
Welcome back, I'm Captain Xavier, and I am still a shameless fan of getting free stuff. And this is the latest shipment I've gotten from NFStrike. I reached out to them and said, hey, if you don't have anything new you'd like me to review, there's a couple of items that I'm interested in, as well as things that my fans have asked for. And so I sent them a list, and they sent me this stuff. So I've got kind of two areas of stuff. We have stuff for the long shot, and then we have a Mega Dart magazine. The stuff for the long shot is a barrel extension, specifically designed to go on a long shot, which is particularly nice if you've done something like this build that I'm working on for my patron, where you have an extra long brass barrel that's sticking out from your full brass breech. When you put this on, it then protects the brass very nicely. You could then also put, either a regular Nerf barrel in there or some worker barrel, whatever you wanted, to give you, an orange barrel, as well as having the brass completely now protected, and having, no actual barrel drag. So that is really convenient and quite nice. I like how that one comes out. It also does not in any way interfere with the worker pump kit that they also sent. And this is the larger profile one. There is one that creates a much sleeker pump. If you prefer that design, you actually cut out this, and it's got its own piece that then replaces it. This one is just designed to go over the existing bipod mounts, and then it all screws together and is quite lovely. Yeah. So it does have holes for rail on the bottom if you get the kit that includes that. I did not. And then there's just screw holes that allow you to screw it all together, and then it comes with all the additional hardware, the metal bars for attaching it to the side that also have holes if you want to put rail on that, and then it does come with the bolts as well as the spacers and all of the screws. So all in all, it's a really worker prints are just always immaculate. I would love to know what printers they use to get such clean prints. Yeah. I think that comes together quite nicely, makes the whole thing a little bit spacier. I do think it would probably look even better if you had the top rail piece. If you take this all out, there's then a piece that fits in on top that squares it up a little bit better. And then, of course, this one doesn't currently have any kind of a stock on it, but the right stock really brings the whole build together. So I like how this is coming together. These parts will definitely go nicely with it. So highly recommend those particular parts from Worker. And you could go with a longer barrel and put a suppressor or whatever, muzzle flash suppressor, muzzle brake, whatever you wanted on that as well. So that is a lovely little bit. And then we have this. It is a 6-round magazine. And downside is it does appear to have gotten damaged in shipping, which is unfortunate. The plastic is definitely not quite as flexible feeling as most Nerf magazines, so that is unfortunate. I don't know if that crack would actually affect function if I were to just... I think I could just glue it back together. Hopefully, if you order one, it doesn't have that problem. But people did ask me where you could get Mega magazines, and NFStrike does sell them. Hopefully they don't get damaged in shippings like this one appeared to, but yeah. If you desperately need magazines for your Centurion or for whatever thing you want to put megas in, there is now a source for them. So there you have it. Yeah, lovely stuff. I will definitely try to glue that and then try to actually fire it from something and see if it still works. I mean, it looks like it would still function fine. You just, never like your stuff coming in broken. But there you have it. I like the Worker long shot stuff. I'm finally doing long shot builds. Hopefully I'll get this one for my patron done. I ran into some snags with it, and I'm still trying to figure out why it's not performing quite as well as I would like. But we will see about that in the future. So, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, stuff you would like to see me review, I do generally ask for... if they don't send stuff or suggest things for me to review, I ask for things that fans have requested. So go ahead and put your requests down in the comment section. And as always, thank you guys for watching.